I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. I don't wanna get you out of my system, no, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. You got me good. Oh babe, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. 'Cause you got me.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Katie and I am a mom of 4. I do a lot of cleaning videos, so that's what this channel is mostly about, is some cleaning motivation. This video in particular is just a catch-all cleanup video. I was basically cleaning the entire day. We've had a maintenance man come to our house the past few days and last week, and so I've just been trying to distract my toddler so she's not all in his tools and everything like that. So that's what I'm doing now, is just cleaning this mess up, and then I will move on to vacuuming because of the maintenance man. And then I'm just going to fold up some loads of laundry because I actually washed 5 loads and I folded up 2 the night before, but you will only see me folding up 3. So sit back, enjoy. I hope you get some motivation, and thanks so much for watching.
Right now. So good, babe, so good, babe, so good, so good, so good, it hurts. So good, babe, so good, babe. You got me good. You got me good. Oh, baby, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. 'Cause you got me good. Oh yeah. You got me.
Also, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Like I said earlier, I do a lot of cleaning videos. I also do some mommy lifestyle videos, and every so often I will do a DIY or some type of furniture makeover video. So if you like videos like that, then please stick around and hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, then please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up.
A bit high on the feeling, can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
You got someone new, I know it. Yeah, but I will keep on denying it. Yeah. Gotta keep my emotions from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. Yeah, 'cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. I'm messed up, oh yeah, I know it. All alone with mixed emotions. Yeah, gotta keep my temper from running wild. Need someone to hold my horses. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. My heart is breaking, so I'm faking every smile. I'm in denial, I'm undercover. Wanna find a place to rest, be human for a while. Just be human for a while. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard. Wanna find some peace, so I pray to God to find a way to fix it all. To fix it all, to fix it all. 'Cause I go fast, yeah, I go hard.
Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks again so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Bye.